Schmoke. About to get it in, man. Look, you heard?
Schmoke, man. We back with another one. I got a new homeboy with me. What's your name, G?
Mr. Schmister.
Schmister? Mr. Schmister?
I jacked that.
Hey, man, what's the deal, though? Where you from, man? Tell us a little about, man. Take the mic. Tell folks who you are, man.
First and foremost, is Sean knows the word. My name is Mr. from Brooklyn, Brownsville.
You fuck with the weed?
Oh yeah, hell yeah. I can't smoke right now, but you know, I'm on the clock.
Okay, but you fuck with it.
Yeah.
What's your favorite strand? Oh no, fuck, we're gonna start early, way back in your history. When did you first start smoking? When did you first hit the
Started
J?
smoking weed probably when I was like 10.
10? Damn.
Not consistent, like that was like
But
my
I
first
feel
year.
was it with the homies? Did you like steal it from your mama and your dad or something?
I started from my pop, actually.
I already knew that. I knew it. When he said that, 10 years old, stole from the pop's
And my
ashtray.
pops don't smoke no green, so understand. You know what chocolate is? Like,
Yes,
yeah,
I remember that.
That was my pops, like greens to everybody. You know, he never smoked no green, so he'll smoke some chocolate or he'll have positive. It'd be like sour or kush or whatever it was. You know?
Word.
So those type of things. This one I was smoking at a young age.
10. So in your progression, and you started smoking, what's your favorite strand that you smoked since, like on your own, like when you started copping your own trees?
Some perp.
Oh, my nigga. I love some GDP, Granddaddy Perp. Niggas already know that's my fucking favorite strand. Every time I hear the name, it's gonna fucking hype me up, bro. That's some real nigga shit. I love some Granddaddy Perp, man. The taste, the texture, the color, everything, right?
That shit, my favorite, look, that was, perp is my favorite reason why, because it reminds me when I smoke it, it tastes like Fruity Pebbles, bro, you heard? I don't know, it gave me that Fruity Pebbles vibe, so.
Perp Perp is that real terpene, tangy shit that gave you some flavor without the spray.
All that spray shit is a dub. Kids, if you smoking weed and you smoking spray, do not smoke that shit. You don't know what you smoking. That's not ground-rooted weed.
Man, bro, I didn't expect this when I came to NYC, but for our first couple interviews, man, for niggas to say fuck that spray shit is pretty fucking dope, cause I ain't gonna lie, bro. I thought niggas was about to be dead ass, spray this, spray that, you know what I'm saying? I did peek my head into a little dispensary.
The youth like the spray. A lot of people like the spray. I don't know the tolerance or whatever, but that shit is not that.
It's not natural, man. You don't know what the fuck that shit is, and like I said, frying your brains. Shit, anything else you want to tell people? Give us your IG, your brand, or whatever you got going on.
First, I want to tell the people to Say the Next Generation. That's the brand. You know, you can follow us at Say the Next Generation. You can follow my Instagram at Schmister with 3 S HHHMISTAAA.
Word.
Peace and blessings.
Yeah.
Peace and blessings, you heard?